Assalamualaikum, my name is Rafid. Today, I'll show you how to make chocolate sponge cake. With this simple recipe, I hope you can follow it to make a delicious chocolate sponge cake. The ingredients are 2 sachets of milk chocolate powder, 150 ml hot water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of liquid margarine, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1 egg. First, add 2 sachets of chocolate milk powder. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar too. Then, pour 150 ml of hot water. Stir until smooth. Next, add 3 tablespoons of flour. Add 1 egg. Stir until smooth again. Add 3 tablespoons of liquid margarine. And then stir until smooth again. Next, pour the dough into the cake mold. Finally, steam it for about 20 minutes. Tada! Chocolate sponge cake is ready to be served. Happy birthday to you.